woman named Laura Moser. Does that name mean anything to you?
Should it?
It doesn't. Look, she died, but she left behind 2 little boys. And one of those little boys was you. Laura Moser is your biological mother.
Don't say the rest. Don't know it.
The other little boy, your brother, was named Brian. Brian Moser. The ice truck killer.
We're blood brothers, through birth and death. Watching Mom die? It's amazing that we survived that, isn't it? 2 days, sitting in blood before they found us. You can't be a killer and a hero. It doesn't work that way!